Types of correlation. On the basis of direction of change, there are two types of correlation. First, positive correlation, and second is negative correlation. Positive correlation. If the data of two concerned series change in the same direction, if decrease in the value of a series corresponding to decrease in the other series, if increase in a value of a series corresponding to increase in the other series, the correlation is called direct or positive correlation. This type of correlation is called positive correlation. For example, progress in business leads to progress in employment simultaneously. Thus, there is a positive correlation between progress in business and employment. Similarly, increase in height leads to increase in weight of a person. So, there is a positive correlation between height and weight. For example, we have data of a person, length and weight. If length is 4 feet, weight is 38 kg, and length increase when length is 5 feet, weight is 48 kg, and length is 6 feet, weight is 58 kg. When length is 6 feet 2 inch, weight is 61 kg. So there is a positive correlation between length and weight. As length is increasing, weight is also increasing. So this is the example of positive correlation. Second, negative correlation. If in two related series data changes in opposite direction, change in one series in one direction leads to change in other series in opposite direction. The existing correlation between them is called negative correlation. If data of one series is increasing and accordingly data of another series is decreasing, and in data of one series is decreasing and data of another series is increasing, so this is called negative correlation between the series. For example, increase in supply of a commodity leads to decrease in price. As supply of commodity increases, the price will decrease, and as supply is decreasing and price will increases. The relation between supply and price will be negative correlation. This is example of negative correlation. The example shows positive and negative correlation. In first example, we have data of age and weight. As age is increasing, the weight is also increasing. At the age of 2, the weight is 3.3 pound, and at the age of 5, the weight is 4.9 pound. At the age of 6, the weight is 5.2 pound. So the as age is increasing, weight is also increasing. So this is example of positive correlation. And second example is, we have data of price and demand. This shows negative correlation. As price is increasing, demand is decreasing. When price is 4 rupees, the demand is 625 units. When price is 7 rupees, demand is 480 units. And when price is 10 rupees, demand is 315 units. So as price is increasing, the demand is decreasing. So there is negative correlation between price and demand.